Have you ever looked at your living room bookshelf and felt it was little more than a cluttered shelf of books, photo frames, and random objects? What if that same shelf became the heart of your living space, a beautifully curated display that radiates warmth, personality, and style? A well-styled living room bookshelf is more than storage. It's a living gallery, mood setter, and visual anchor for your design. In this video, we'll walk through 11 deep dive decor ideas so you can turn your shelf into a showcase, from strategic styling and intentional book placement to ambient lighting, layering textures, seasonal updates, greenery, cover balancing, personal storytelling, large wall continuity, kid-friendly adaptions, and easy renter-friendly hacks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring elegance, cohesion, and charm to your living room shelf.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How do you create an organized and visually engaging bookshelf layout? Bookshelves shine when their layout invites the eye to explore deliberately. Start by pulling all items, books, decor, photos, onto the floor to mix freely. Choose one main axis, either centered or asymmetrical, to guide placement. Place larger objects and heavy books near the bottom to secure visual weight. Think a stack of coffee table books topped with a stone sculpture. Define 3 to 4 focal points, for example, a brass vase, a framed print, stacked books, and a woven basket grouped across the shelves for visual balance. Alternate vertical and horizontal book stacks. Horizontal stacks give surfaces for smaller accessories. Leave open space, about 1/5 of shelf area empty, to let the styling breathe. This blend of structure and openness ensures your bookshelf feels intentional and welcoming. Like this video if you believe layout foundation makes or breaks beautiful design. What lighting techniques best showcase a living room bookshelf at any time of day? Lighting transforms a shelf from functional to captivating. Install LED strip lights under each shelf for a warm wash that highlights book spines and objects. No need for visible fixtures. Use adjustable puck lights in cubbies where you display statement items like ceramics or art. Trigger with a switch or motion sensor for convenience. For open shelving, place a slim floor lamp beside the unit, with light directed toward the middle shelves for comfort reading or soft ambience. As the sun sets, add battery-powered candle clusters or smart string lights along the top shelf for a starry, relaxed mood. With layered light, ambient, task, accent, you elevate the shelf's presence and your living room's livability day or night. How can you mix books, art, and decor to reflect your personal style? A living room shelf should mirror who you are. Start by rotating a selection of your favorite books. Think art, travel, or design titles. Face forward to signal interest and flair. Place sculptural art objects, like handmade vases or pottery, on alternating corners with shadow between them for contrast. Add framed art prints in coordinating palettes, leaning slightly behind books to create a layered depth. Display collectible pieces, like vintage cameras, globes, or ceramics, on mid-shelf for visibility. Include tactile accents like woven baskets or natural fiber bins to balance hard materials. Make sure each shelf tells a mini-story: travel shelf with guidebooks and a seashell, art shelf with books, a candle, and your own sketch. This cohesive approach shapes your shelf into a living narrative. Tell us which personal item you display on your shelf right now. What materials and finishes work best with living room interiors? Your shelf materials should harmonize with the room's design. A white built-in blends into the wall for a crisp, seamless look, ideal for Scandinavian or modern interiors. Rich walnut or oak tones bring warmth and depth to a neutral palette. Black metal frames with wood shelves add modern industrial edge. Glass shelves or mirrored backs amplify light and size. Add leather-bound volumes or brass bookends for tactile sophistication. Glass or acrylic decor pieces can elevate the visual airy feel. When selecting materials, look across your sofa, coffee table, or mantel to mirror finishes. The outcome is a bookshelf that feels intentional, integrated, and part of your living room's visual story. How can you use texture and color for layered elegance? Texture and color bring richness that catches the eye. Choose pillow fabric or sofa hue as your key palette and echo it on shelves, blue glass vases, green ceramics, or warm terracotta book covers. Add baskets made of rattan or woven seagrass for tactile interest. Include velvet or boucle decorative boxes to soften harder edge materials. Add a ceramic-covered jar next to a wood sculpture and a stack of tote books for varied surface texture. On shelves bordering windows, place soft linen small planters. These varied textures, woven, glazed, matte, create a layered, luxurious shelf narrative that elevates comfort and style. What shelf storage systems keep things stylish yet functional? Living room shelves often house books and everyday items, remote controls, remotes, a journal, magazine. Keep things functional with discrete systems. Place a decorative tray on a lower shelf to corral remotes or chargers. Use magazine holders on mid-shelf for catalogs or papers. Add wicker or fabric baskets for blankets or board games, ensuring they match the shelf finish. Consider sliding doors or a closed bookcase base to keep visual noise low. Easy access open bins come in neutral tones to keep clutter hidden. With these systems in place, your shelf remains calm, beautiful, and ready for real-life use without sacrificing aesthetics. How do you incorporate greenery and natural elements? A living room shelf can double as a mini indoor garden when done thoughtfully. Add trailing plants like pothos or philodendron in ceramic pots on upper shelves. Vines will gracefully drape behind books. On middle shelves, include a sculptural snake plant or small rubber tree for height and greenery. Place small succulents or air plants inside glass terrariums for sculptural interest. Add driftwood pieces, dried flowers in vases, or small branches to connect with nature's forms. Use natural baskets to hold bouquets or greenery clippings. With green life integrated, your shelf becomes dynamic, with living depth that changes over time and lifts the entire living room's mood and air quality. Your living room bookshelf is far more than a simple storage unit. It's a blank canvas for beauty, comfort, storytelling, and serenity. When you plan with intent, add ambient lighting, balance with carefully chosen materials and textures, layer greenery and seasonal details, and build in functionality, your shelf becomes a beloved anchor in your home. Whether you live in a rental, have built-ins, or decorate for seasons or family needs, this curated approach ensures purpose, personality, and presence shine. Take just one of today's styling ideas and apply it thoughtfully. Watch it change your room's energy and draw warmth, personality, and joy into every glance.